So I wanted to do a video on small businesses, who owns small businesses and why. So according to the National Small Business Association, 39% of small businesses are owned by Republicans. And you would think that Democrats would come in second. No. Independents own more small businesses than Democrats, which is very odd if you think about it. How is it possible that the smallest demographic when it comes to political parties owns more small businesses than the largest demographic? Because Democrats easily make up the majority of the country. It's not even close. They would win every election if they just voted. So why is it the minority of small business owners are Democrats? The reason is because typically, or quite often, Democrats who start small businesses end up changing teams and become independents or Republicans. Now, I'm not talking about large corporations who are notorious for getting out of paying taxes. I'm talking about small business owners such as myself. I have a couple or three. And I can say for myself that I would be an independent whether I was a small business owner or not. But not everyone is like me. And the truth is, Democratic tax policies aren't great for small business owners at all. And if you don't own a small business or the right type of small businesses, you have no idea the number of taxes and all of the different shit that some small business owners have to deal with. For instance, one of my businesses sells products and I'm tax exempt, so I can buy that product without paying sales tax, but then I have to pass that sales tax on to the customer, which is completely fine, except I have to pay a tax to just hold that product, even if it's just for a day. So even though they say I'm tax exempt, I'm not really tax exempt. I have to do a tax return every single month, and I have to have inventory that I pay tax on every year for my average inventory held throughout the year. That's just one of the many taxes we have to pay that a lot of people don't know about. Our property taxes are higher, not just because they're worth more, they're actually taxed at a higher rate. Our utility bills are taxed at a higher rate. Our everything is taxed at a higher rate. And while you're out there screaming, tax the rich, can we just start by not taxing the people that aren't rich to death? The majority of my time spent with one of my businesses is dealing with taxes, not actually running the fucking business. I am certain that if Democrats had better tax policies when it comes to small business, they'd run this whole fucking country.